Let's talk about the importance of culture to a happy, engaged, and high-performing workplace, as well as the values and behaviours needed for an organisation to thrive. It was the legendary management consultant Peter Drucker that said, "Culture eats strategy for breakfast." So what exactly is culture? Culture is often described as the invisible glue that bonds people and an organisation together. Culture bonds and unites people, allowing everyone to achieve more than they could do apart. Culture achieves this because it teaches organisations how to behave, how to respond, and how to make decisions without being told or asked. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, it is. One of the challenges of culture is its invisibility. If culture is invisible, how does anyone learn what is required? And how do leaders know when culture is broken? Learning your workplace culture is mostly experiential, with learning coming from watching and interacting with colleagues, which is one of the dangers that comes with having a few bad apples. Employees also learn from being told what is expected. I'm Gemma, and here are 8 cultural values with related behaviour guidance that will help your organisation perform. Be customer obsessed. We listen to customers at every opportunity, so we might understand how to help them. We do everything we can to earn customer recommendations and advocacy. Long-term customer loyalty is better than short-term profit. Be a good human. We are open and honest with ourselves, our colleagues, customers, and partners. Small lies become big lies, so don't tell them. We want a reputation for doing what we say we are going to do. So if we promise it, do it. Period. We treat each other with kindness and catch each other before we fall. We spend a lot of time at work, so connect with each other as humans, not just colleagues. Take the time to share who you are and learn about the people around you. And don't forget Wheaton's Law. Act like owners. We don't hide from the truth. If you see a problem or opportunity, don't wait, own it. Be brave enough to say what needs to be said. Where we are now and how we can improve must always be discussed. What is obviously wrong needs to be made right. We can then succeed. Be bold and focused. Know your goals and how they align with everyone else's. We focus our energy on our goals and try not to get distracted. Lowballing or playing safe doesn't help you, your teams, or the company. We are bold and set the bar high. The only failure is in not trying. Innovate around value. Innovative solutions to high-value problems help give us a competitive advantage. When you've understood a high-value problem, if there's no simple solution, don't be afraid to think big and innovate. Be fabulous in a team. We have our own things to do, but we are better, smarter, and more productive in teams. We don't fear conflict. We do what's right for the right reasons. We align ourselves with decisions, even when they were not our preferred path. If you're slowing down or blocking a colleague's progress, try to help them get back on track. We are all students. We are all here to learn and be the best we can be. We take the time to listen, learn, and apply know-how from the people around us. Where we can, we also teach. Love it or change it. We want everyone to thrive. If you're not loving the culture, the mission, how you're helping, the people you're working with, or any other aspect of the work, if we can help, we will. Statements like these communicate what you value and how you expect people to behave. Culture is too important to performance, happiness, and engagement to be ambiguous and open to interpretation. And you're never going to be able to praise cultural alignment or call out and manage out cultural misalignment if what you expected was never clear. If creating a strong culture where people are happy, engaged, and performing is something you'd like help with, you should check out ZOKRI. Good luck.